In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Acuity scheduling. Whether you're a business owner looking to streamline your appointment bookings or simply someone organizing consultations or lessons, Acuity scheduling can be an invaluable tool for managing your calendar more effectively. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to the Acuity scheduling website. Once there, go ahead and log into your account. If you don't already have an account, you may need to create one. But for today's tutorial, we'll assume you've already got that part sorted out. Once you're logged in, you'll want to personalize your scheduling page. This is where your clients or colleagues will go to book their appointments. Navigate to the scheduling page and click on Customize Appearance. Here, you can use the style editor to infuse your scheduling page with your unique brand identity. This includes adding your logo, selecting your preferred color palette, and ensuring your overall branding is consistently represented. A well-branded page not only looks professional, but also reinforces your brand's image to anyone scheduling an appointment with you. Now, let's talk about your availability. Head to Scheduling, and then click on Availability. Here, it's important to select your time zone to ensure your appointments align correctly with your and your client's respective schedules. Next, go ahead and set your general business hours. Specify the exact days and time slots you're available for appointments. Having a clear, consistent schedule will help others know when you're free and reduce any back-and-forth communication. With your availability set, it's time to define what services you provide. Go to Scheduling, and then Appointment Types. You have the option to create a new service or even a group class. Enter the name of the appointment, specify the duration, and if applicable, include the price. This allows clients to see exactly what you offer and book services that meet their needs. Next, to enhance your scheduling system, you'll want to use integrations. Head to Integrations to connect Acuity scheduling with other services you already use. This could include syncing with Google Calendar to keep all your appointments in one place, using Zoom for virtual meetings, or linking with payment processors. Speaking of payments, it's time to set up your payment options. Navigate to Payment Settings and connect with your preferred payment platform, such as Stripe, Square, or PayPal. Here, you can set up deposit requirements or other payment terms to suit your business processes. Finally, to ensure your scheduling system is accessible, you'll need to embed it on your website. Go to Scheduling Page link and copy the embed code. You can then paste this code into your website's HTML, perhaps using a platform like WordPress. This step allows clients to book directly from your site, improving user experience and efficiency. And there you have it, a streamlined process to make the most of Acuity scheduling, helping you manage your appointments with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy scheduling.